Yes?
Hi, Mr. Jones. My name is Patty. I'm your CNA today. How are you?
I'm okay. How are you?
I'm wonderful. I need to clean your dentures. Is that okay?
It's fine.
I'm going to close your curtain for privacy. I'm going to put the head of your bed up, take your dentures to the sink, and then I'm going to wash my hands.
Okay.
Okay. I'm going to take those dentures from you. Take them over to the sink. I'm going to wash my hands. I'll be right back to get your supplies. Okay, I'm just going to put a barrier on your table so I have a place to put my clean supplies. Supplies I need for this, I'm going to take a towel and a washcloth. A basin and toothpaste, a toothette and a denture brush, and a cup of water. I also need 2 sets of gloves. Okay, Mr. Jones, I'll be back in just a moment. I'm going to clean your dentures, and then we're going to come back and clean your mouth, okay? I'm going to take my denture brush, put it in the water, apply a little bit of toothpaste to both sides, and just allow the basin to hold that denture brush. I'm going to take my washcloth, a set of gloves, and my basin holding the toothbrush over to the sink. Okay, we're going to bring our basin with our toothbrush over here to the sink. Place the washcloth at the bottom just in case we drop our dentures, they won't break. We're going to open up our denture cup, turn on the water, and put on your clean gloves. Pick up the dentures and rinse them under the running water, holding them firmly with your hand. Pick up the denture brush and use the smallest end to clean the channel portion of the dentures that fit over the patient's gums, as well as the palate or portion that fits against the roof of the mouth. Take special care to remove all denture paste and food particles that may be lodged in this channel. Keep the dentures over the sink while you are cleaning them. Turn the dentures over in your hand and use the larger end of the denture brush to brush the teeth portion of the dentures, making sure you cover all surfaces, including the palate. Rinse the denture brush out under the cool running water and set into the clean basin. Discard the water in the denture cup into the sink and rinse the cup out. Fill the cup with cool water and place the clean dentures into the clean denture cup and replace the lid. Turn the faucet off. Washcloth will be wrung out and put in dirty linen. Okay. We're going to get a paper towel, place the denture cup on the paper towel, and place it on the bedside table beside the patient. Those are going to soak overnight. We will now pick up our basin and bring it to our table. Place the denture brush on your clean barrier. Now that I'm done with the dentures, I'm going to remove these soiled gloves and prepare for mouth care. Mr. Jones, I'd like to put this over your chest. Is that okay? This will keep your outfit nice and clean. This time we're going to use a toothette. It's a soft, spongy toothbrush. I'm going to wet the toothette. Apply a very small amount of toothpaste and set it in our basin while we put our gloves on. Now that we have our gloves on, the very next thing we're going to touch is our patient. Mr. Jones, can I get you to open your mouth, please? I'm going to use the toothette to clean the gums and the teeth. Top, bottom, front, and back. Can you stick your tongue out for me? Thank you very much. We're going to throw this directly away. Would you like to rinse? Would you like to rinse again? Okay. Throw this away. Mr. Jones, I need to go clean the basin. I'll be right back to get you cleaned up. We're going to dump that in the sink and rinse it. Dump that in the sink and set it down. Spray it with our disinfectant. Use a paper towel to pick it up. A paper towel to dry the inside. We're going to use a paper towel to dry the outside. And one for the drawer. Okay, once the basin is clean, I'm going to come over, pick up the toothpaste and the denture brush with my clean paper towel. Open the drawer. Set that in. Mr. Jones, I need to remove your towel. Is that okay? This will go in dirty linen. And we're going to throw our barrier away. Now I can take my gloves off. Is there anything else I can get for you, Mr. Jones?
No, thank you.
Would you like the head of your bed down at all?
No, thank you.
Okay, I'm going to go open your curtain, wash my hands, and review my skill. I'll now review the steps of my skill, make any corrections, and my skill is done.
Need scrubs for your new career? Visit foryouruniforms.com and enter the code CNA video for a special discount. Need additional resources? For Your CNA has what you need. With practice tests, an online workbook, instructional videos, practice kits and supplies, and our very own skills book with step-by-step instructions, you will feel confident when you take the CNA exam. Visit foryourcna.com today. Continuing education for CNAs are called in-services. In-services are now offered online at foryourcna.com.